Benim oldu. Skloni drugo. Avalanche has a little lighter muzzle, and Alpha has a little darker muzzle. That's the main difference between them. Other than that, they're totally the same. A little cleaner and a little darker muzzle. That's like a small thing that if the dog look the same, that the judge maybe will take as a reason to place one dog on first and one dog on second place. But they're just my opinion, and for me they all both look the same, both look beautiful.